Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students and viewers. So after some days, I'm going to show something grammatical point, and I will discuss some regular verbs. Those are with mainly meaning. So let's start. Here you can see our regular verb. Just today we will also practice and make every word with a sentence. So let's see. Ask, agree, arrange, arrive. So first of all, I want to give you some all the word with the pronunciation. Then I will start to making a sentence. So let's see how can we make sentences. So ask, agree, arrange, arrive, appear, answer, advise, arrest, advise, arrest, add, allow, buy, beat, break, build, bear, breath, begin, bring, bite, burn, borrow, bath, bake, bless, care, catch, cook, choose, call, come, change, close, compare, cry, can, climb, cut, grip, do, dance, dare, draw, drop, novel, drive, creep, die, dig, drink, rim, destroy, divide, discuss, and enjoy, forget, fight, fear, fall, forward, forsake, fly, fast, find, foil, pay, feel, forgive, get, grow, go, give, gaze, have, help, hate, hear, hold, heat, hang, hide, hope, jump, keep, kill, knee, know, knock, lie, lend, like, love, lost, look, lay, live, learn, love, live, lock, lot, make, move, marry, meet, mint, need, obey, open, pray, thus, push, put, punish, pull, play, write, run, remember, ebook, rise, read, ring, reach, sleep, see, saw, stay, sing, say, strike, smile, smell, spit, shake, shout, swim, stand, shine, show, sew, shake, sit, speak, still, seek, sell, send, suffer, starve, think, teach, touch, taste, throw, thank, take, try, think, tell, tear, wear, want, og, wash, write, wait, weep, work, wish, weep, win. Okay, so my dear students, I today I just give you some suggestion of regular verbs, and you can practice at home with this all the words and make a sentence at home. So I will come back next tutorial and next class, so that I can show you every word with a make a sentence, how can make a sentence. It's I best in my previous class I explain you how can you make a sentence and what is the structure of a make, what is the difference in Bengali sentence of an English sentence, and how can you make a sentence. You just apply at your home, and if you face any problem, just wrong me in the comment. And if you want to that I make this all kinds of words with a sentence, so you can know me in the comment. So thank you my dear students. So I will come back soon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.